Welcome to the show. If you're still in your robe and PJs, that's just perfect because we're having a spa day on the show. Please welcome, yes, we have one, a spa team. I love being on spa teams. Designer and tech expert Ranson Kachi, stylist Natalie Sexton, food blogger Vijaya Silvaraju, designer Andrew Pike, and beauty expert Sherry Kaufman, who we haven't seen for a while. So, wow, everybody, you look really good. You look good. Look, Andrew, sit up straight. Make sure those legs are, look at that. Sherry's looking good.
We have to be careful.
I love you in purple. You be very careful.
Thank you.
Got a little fashion show coming up with some spa wear. Everybody looks great. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to say goodbye to our spa team, but one. We're going to keep Ramson up on screen. We'll see the rest of you later on because we're going to talk about aspirational spa bathroom features. So see you guys later. Lots of good stuff. Food, fashion, spa stuff. Come on. It's going to be great.
Come on.
All right, Ramson, you look very classic today. It looks like
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh, darling,
yes,
you
little,
do.
Little Hugh Hefnerish, you know.
I love it. Hey, I want everybody to know when you and I first started working together many years ago. One of the things you were known for and still are today, until this day, is and including today, is bathrooms. And it's unbelievable how we kind of didn't pay attention to our bathrooms because they were just a thing. And now they've become a big feature in a home when reselling or buying a home. So you're going to talk about spa bathroom features, probably the latest that we should know about.
Yeah, so a spa bathroom, you only need a few elements to really give you that feel. And even this bathroom here, the one major thing that makes it feel like such a spa is this shower stall. So when you look at this shower stall and the fact that it's so massive and it's clad with porcelain panels. These are porcelain panels that go floor to ceiling. So there's no joints, no grouts, and it's just very simple and understated, but elegant. And the sophistication comes from the porcelain panels and all the glass. So you got this massive shower with a massive rain head inside. And that's, those are, you don't need a lot of elements. You just need a couple of key features that really make you enjoy that space like a spa. So talking about some of these products, one of the biggest things is a steam bath. So having a steam bath and a shower like that is an easy addition if you're doing a renovation. And a product like Mr. Steam gives you the opportunity to have steam in that shower, have aromatherapy, chromotherapy, music, all that stuff through this one unit. And at a push of a button, you can have the entire shower stall filled with steam and have that revitalizing spa feel and then go about your day. So it really is great because you can put essential oils in the outlet of the steam, so it actually gives you that aromatherapy as well. So a lot of great features when it comes to a steam bath. Important to note that when you're creating a steam bath, you have to actually build the shower stall to accommodate that. So you have to make sure that you have the right kind of waterproofing behind the tile. So that's a good thing to keep in mind. Now, music is a big key element in any bathroom. Huge. I think that really sets the tone. Do you not agree?
Oh my gosh, yeah. For sure.
Yeah, and so you can have it piped in through speakers. That's one way, but Kohler has a product called Moxie, which is a shower head that you actually just put on. And it's a magnetic dock for this speaker that's a waterproof speaker. It's called the Moxie. It's a Bluetooth speaker. You just basically dock it into your shower. The water comes out from around it, and the music sounds spectacular. You can remove it. You can charge it. It runs for about 9 hours. You can use it outside the shower, in the shower, so it's very versatile. It's great. Kohler also has a product called the DTV, which is a digital control for your shower. So no more valves, no more knobs and things inside your shower. It's just a digital keypad. And it offers so much, Marilyn, because you can program it individually. So you would program it to the way you want your shower to feel. So you'd walk in the morning and say, Marilyn's shower, and you'd have that perfect setting, whether it's rain head, hand shower, or body sprays, whatever you want. It would just give you that revitalizing shower. It actually purges the system, gets the cold water out, gets it warm, and you're ready to go. And you have all kinds of additions, meaning you can have it, you can have it operate off your voice assistant. You can have it add music, lighting, all kinds of stuff. So all this stuff is so easy to do with all the technology that's available. It's very cool. It makes for an awesome shower.
Okay,
Now, if you're
good.
renovating your
Good.
bathroom and you're old school and you love that nostalgia of old school, Jesse is a company that produces faucets, and they've got a line that's called the HiFi Collection, and it's designed around the old hi-fi stereo units, you know, with buttons and knobs and dials.
Stop it.
So this thing is
Yes.
stunning. It's stunning. It's got beautiful detail. You've got buttons, you've got knobs. It just looks like a stereo system inside your shower that operates all the functions in the shower. It's really, really cool. I love it. So that is a huge aesthetic appeal in there. I think, to me, I connect to it because it reminds
Yeah.
me of back when stereo systems were big, right?
Right.
Another thing
Right.
is toilets. Toilets are so big. People want touch-free toilets. They want hygiene. So the Kohler Veil is an all-in-one toilet with no tank, and it's an easy to use, no touch. You walk up to it, you know that there's toilets where the seat automatically opens, it closes, it
Mm-hmm.
flushes. It's got a built-in bidet wand inside that self-cleans and sterilizes, and it's got all kinds of self-cleaning features, a heated seat. It's got a blow dryer built into it. It's got a built-in night light. It's motion activated, so it's got everything that you could want in a toilet. And it's got an emergency flush. In case the power goes out, you're not stuck without having a toilet that flushes. So that's
Well,
important.
you never know.
But if you want a quick makeover and you don't want to put in a whole toilet in, American Standard has this seat here, which I love. This Spaulet seat, or it's called the Spaulet, and it just fits on an elongated toilet. It's got the wand built in right here. It comes out, it sterilizes and cleans itself. It's got a power cord on the side. It connects to the water, and it's got a simple dial, and there you go. You got all your functions in a very simple toilet seat that you can add on to any toilet, and the
Okay.
price point, it's great. $550, you get a built-in bidet seat into your toilet, and it's great. So getting onto the
Good.
spa feel, nothing
Mm-hmm.
better than getting out of the shower and having a warm towel to wrap around yourself. Agree? So
Mm-hmm.
Laloo has these plug-in towel warmers that mount onto the wall. They plug into a receptacle outlet. They've got a button up top. You can see that just turns it on and off. And then
Huh?
you drape your towel over this thing, and it warms the towel. When you get out of the shower, you got a beautiful warm towel to wrap around yourself. And I think that's one of those elements that you love in a spa, warm towels wrapped up and ready to go. Now, if you're renovating,
Mm-hmm.
Marilyn, here's another feature. Did you know that Wolf Sub-Zero, the makers of appliances, actually have a
Yeah.
warming drawer that you can use in your bathroom? So the warming drawer that you would use in your kitchen, they have a version that you can use in your bathroom where you can actually fold the towels and put them in there, and you open the drawer and you got all these towels that are just warm and ready to go. So that's another way that you can actually add that to your whole setup. And then lastly, to be able to have that warm feel everywhere. To me, there is
Yes.
nothing like walking into a bathroom with a warm floor, and a warm floor in the shower, in the bathroom, on the shower bench, everywhere, to have it heated. And products like New Heat, they have different versions like this, where this is the product that this gray mat is the product that goes underneath the tiles, and then the cable gets run in between. They also have a version that's very easy to use. It's the New Heat mat here, that it's actually a mat that's custom made to fit your bathroom with all the wires embedded, ready to go. And your tile
Okay.
installer will, as he goes along, the electrician wires it in. And once you hook
Mm-hmm.
up this thermostat, you've got a Wi-Fi connected thermostat, so you can control your in-floor heating through your smartphone. So again, now all these little elements grouped together give you that spa feel and that warmth in the space and make
Sure.
you enjoy your bathroom. And if you have a
You,
minute, I got one more
you,
thing I want to show you.
okay.
You
Boy,
got a
there's
minute?
more?
One
Yeah, I
more
got a
thing.
minute.
So this is kind of a new product, and I wanted to show it because you know me, I'm all about new products. So
Yeah.
there's a company that's taken stone and they cut it really thin. If you come in close on this, you can see the stone is almost 1/8 of an inch thick, and it's mounted onto an acrylic backing. So at the front, it looks like stone. So this is from Stone Lab. And the beauty about this is not only do you have lightweight stone that you can carry up elevators into condos and install, but you can also
Uh-huh.
backlight this to give a beautiful effect. Look at
Oh.
this. You can backlight this, and this is natural stone. This is natural quartzite. Natural quartzite is normally extremely expensive, but because they cut it very thin, they get a lot of yield out of it.
Mm.
So now you have different variations, and you can actually change the color temperature in the for the light and change the effect of the stone. So if you wanted it warmer and more yellow, you could actually change the effect. So you could put different colored LEDs in behind and change the color, change the effect. So this in a shower where you could backlight it would be amazing.
Wow. All I need is a microphone and I'm in.
Yes. Is that what you do? You sing in the shower?
Right? Yeah, why not with that sound system
Why
and
not?
the shower and the lights? And I could do, real, that would be a real moment. This is what I love about this list. There's new things all the time. There's things that you can add on right now. Thank you for showing us that because some of us can't redo our bathroom. But if we're thinking about
Yeah.
it, there's so much out there. Ramson, thank you so much. You look fabulous. We really appreciate
Thanks, Marilyn. I'll talk to you
it.
soon.
Okay, we got to take a break. You got it. We have more of a spa day coming up right after this.